quick unbagging and review of the Willie Max GOPro bag. So it has plastic clips, set of buckles, use the buckles also. Inside you got 3 straps, directions, and you got the plastic that's gonna go on the swing arms so you don't scratch your swing arm. So I think we gotta size this up first and go from there. Oh yeah. So I get an idea where I'm gonna mount it, and then put the plastic on. A little rag here to clean this up. Alright, looks like one is gonna go here. Got one at the bottom here. Alright, so one up here towards the top of the swing arm. And one going to the bottom of the swing arm here. So that should be right. I mean, once I tighten it up, it's gonna sit up nice. So I'm gonna strap this in. I'm gonna start at the bottom here. Strap this on. Da, da, da. This has taken all about 5 minutes, if that. That looks pretty damn good. I'm gonna tighten this top one more. It's good. It's nice and tight. Ah, it's really tight. That's what she said. I think that's good. Trim these down in the back. I don't want them flapping in the wind, but for now I'm gonna tuck them in. This bad boy out. But yeah, it looks good. This is all I want. I just want a little bag to carry my sunglasses, my paperwork. All right, let's see what this bad boy looks like. Oh yeah, just enough. I'll drop a picture up. I think this thing was like 60 or 70 bucks. I got it on eBay because I couldn't find the one I liked on Amazon. Or vice versa. I think this is an Amazon one. I don't know, I bought so much shit lately, I have no idea. But that's it. So if you like what you're looking at, hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll see you later.